The BOP was wrapped in insulation to protect it from the extreme heat, and then moved toward the wellhead. Unfortunately, its 10,000 kilograms was too heavy for the ATHI wagon.
Our equipment wasn't designed to lift that stuff. Our equipment is designed to pull, pull the debris away from the well and everything like that. And then to lift this blowout assembly was just too much for our equipment. Wasn't designed for it, is what I'm trying to say. And so we found that out real quick, and we had to take 3 or 4 days to get that right. And once we did, well, it's all right. Everything worked good.
With the ATHI wagon rolling again, Boots directed the delicate job of approaching the wellhead.
When we put the big valve on, we went over the 95/8 and let it down to the flange. And in that way, it caused a big Venturi type of deal, just a jetting action at the bottom and when we got it over there, so we wouldn't have fire coming out because there was no way we could get bolts in it. And we've learned that's the way you have to do it.
Once in place, the BOP was disconnected from the boom arm of the ATHI wagon. Then, the BOP was bolted into place. The Boots and Coots people had then to attach a diversion pipe to the BOP. This diverted the gas to the flare pit where it was ignited. This diversion allowed the workers to slowly close the rams in the BOP. The valve to the flare pit was slowly closed. Drilling mud was then pumped down the hole to hold back the gas. Finally, on December 23rd, the Lodgepole well was brought under control. The capping was a welcome relief to Amoco and to the local residents. For Boots Henson, it was just another day's work.
I wish we made as much money as people thought we did. I'd have got out of this thing a long time ago, I'll tell you.
It was done. The Lodgepole well was finally capped after 68 days. It took the combined efforts of 2 professional wild well control teams and over 300 other workers, consultants, and government advisors. And this is it, the Amoco Dome Brazos 1312-4812, west of the 5th Meridian well. It looks so tame now, it's hard to imagine that it could have caused so much trouble for so many people, but it did. You can see what the fire did. It razed the trees to the ground. But it can all be brought back to life again, and the trees will be replanted. Ron Finley, Amoco's manager of environmental affairs, will see to it.
We are currently working with the Department of Energy and Natural Resources, the Department of the Environment, and various other government agencies to plan and implement an all-encompassing regeneration program. From our current studies, it is evident that the impact zone can be regenerated into a multiple-use condition. That is, we will leave some areas for wildlife habitat. We will regenerate other areas using lodgepole pine and spruce seedlings. Our reforestation program will begin in 1984.
This program has been produced in an effort to bring to life the problems and complexities faced by real people in dealing with this major well site incident.